Hi, hello, how are you doing? Today it's going to be an interesting day. We have a bunch of reports coming out, a lot of news in exactly 15 minutes, actually 14 minutes and 20 seconds. It's going to be unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, non-farm payrolls. So all unemployment figures. Well, this is the big event of the week, obviously. A lot of people have been waiting for it. A lot of institutions are decided to trade after this news, right? If you have big plans, buying or selling, why would you do it before? Let's first quickly analyze the daily. Yesterday was an interesting day because we broke out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 daily candles, including this little Sunday candle here. That usually has some consequences. I mean, you never know, anything can happen during NFP, but I don't see price falling back like crazy around here. But the interesting thing is that we made exactly, that's just a 3-point difference, 1451, 1448. So we go exactly up as high as we went here, and I personally right now I have indications that price can go further, and if it does, right, if it's going away, if it breaks this level, this one, it can go further, it can go all the way up here, and that's going to be a big thing. If we check how today is going, we moved our range 26% of a normal day. So yeah, it's very clear that the market is waiting. We already went above 34,850, but we couldn't make it to 34,700. That's interesting news. Of course, again, disclaimer, anything can happen during NFP. I would not go long or short around here. I would wait, especially to go long for price to bounce off this area. To go short, I don't know. I'm not in favor of a short right now. Again, we don't know. Right now we have, I think Lagarde is speaking, Yellen is speaking. So also some news right now. Anyway, it's going to be huge volume, the first candle, and yeah, I'm waiting actually for price to bounce off this level or this level. I mean, it could go through and then go up if it closes above the PP, right? This is the pivot, the high plus the low plus the close divided by 3 of yesterday. An important point for people to look at. Yeah, we're flat now, 0.1% down. So yeah, nothing interesting going on. Anything can happen again. That having said, well, look, we have somewhat increasing lags on the downside on the 15-minute. This one goes down 91 points, this one goes down 103 points, but then it goes up 108 points. So it goes up more, then it goes down. Interesting, right? Just a little bit, right? I mean, I usually consider this the same, 103, 108, but nevertheless, it went down completely. Couldn't make it to this level. And then it went up all the way. You know, I was actually looking for a short around here. Got stopped out, but just whatever, 10 points or something. But of course, the big thing is going to be in 10 minutes from now. Well, everyone trading NFP, good luck. Remember, signals after the news are very, very reliable. Why? Well, the big guys, they wait with buying or selling until after the news. Algos are usually turned off because, you know, you have an algo to mess up people's heads, and you're going chop 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 and in in 2 seconds the whole algo is taken out. So they turn it off, but the other side of the medal is that opportunities are always very, very briefly. So you need to be quick, but not too quick, and maybe even reverse one time. Also, the candle right before NFP is also important. If it ends at the high, at the low, it can also mean something. It's just that, you know, of this mix of clues, you need to take the right things. You need to have like 3 or 4 reasons to go long or to go short. Well, going long, we have a couple of reasons, right? We go up here more than we go down. We didn't make it to 34,700. There's the daily, making like a higher low here. So yeah, we have some indications, unless of course everyone, the big guys, they have been waiting and waiting and waiting the whole week to sell in 9 minutes. And of course we have in a little more than an hour, we have the physical open of the US markets, and well, if we get quite a move in 8 minutes, then it is often supported by the open of the Dow. It often doesn't change to significant. It doesn't change everything significantly, but we will see. It can happen. Anything can happen. Always remember that. So I'm slightly biased to the upside. I intend, usually I remember that, and I keep my bias and I trade accordingly. So we will see. Anyway, good luck, and I may be back later with an update. Bye bye.